Howdy doody guys, welcome back to another video. We are finally going to be doing the Easter egg, thank gosh. Now, before we start, I just gotta shout out to my friend Jacob who is starting a channel. And he's going to post this because he also streams with me. But he's going to post a perspective as well, so go check it out, go support him. And yeah. Also, the quality of our mics is very bad in the beginning, but it got a lot better. I'm editing right now, and it got a lot better time forward. So, sorry, really sorry, and I hope you all enjoy. All right, boys, we're gonna play Zandy's Easter egg attempt. We suck, but we're gonna try our best.
Nice intro.
Number one.
Take one.
Let's get it, boys.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's get Easter egg done.
Easter egg?
Nice.
But it's not Easter yet.
Oh, shut up, you stupid retard!
Oh yeah, right. Don't act like you make that same joke 1,000 times a day.
Alright, the Easter egg we're gonna find today is Daniel's search history. Alright. Let's do it.
Yeah.
What?
Whose mic is that? What the frick is that?
It's a mic.
That's Lucas.
I can't help it, okay? My mic is literally $5.
Oh,
Yeah,
Dollar Tree headset? Is that what I'm hearing? Garbage can?
Lucas is...
Literally freer than a public restroom?
Daniel, are
I'm
you
not
okay?
gonna
You're
get
getting
you
gangbang! Daniel, you're getting gangbang!
Okay,
Help
okay,
him!
okay.
No, don't take that nuke!
Hit it!
Take the nuke now.
Ah! He's throwing his meatballs at me!
He's throwing meatballs at
He's
you?
just throwing his nutsack stuff at me. Disgusting.
His liver? Heart? Whatever he throws?
Put a chop in his
No,
liver.
it's his nutsack.
Yeah, slap.
Not a nutsack.
He's throwing me his pubes. Disgusting.
Yep.
We improved a lot more from that other video.
Sorry.
That
Hold up,
video.
I'm not
Brian, you went
I
down
was editing
15 times
that.
by round 22.
Shut up, dude! Oh my... No, I was there.
Wait, shut up. Who?
I just gave up
Shut
on
up, Daniel?
the
What
eighth
did
down.
Daniel
Wow. Wow.
Dang.
I'm just hated here. Alright guys, I'm leaving. I'm quitting match.
A few moments later.
It's going to be a dog round, so one of us, the second the round starts, the second round starts, I'm gonna go run to dead shot and fill up the thing, okay? I want one more person to come with me so we get some box points. Whoever's not getting free blood.
Confidence, confidence! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah, yeah,
Get
ah!
body block
The hot lady kicked me off!
Alright, Jacob, I'll go with you.
Okay.
right here, and then wait for it to get over here.
Ah! I'm gonna die! I might die! I might die! I might die!
I think that's it.
You work? Yeah, it worked.
Get it.
Get it.
Okay.
Oh yeah! I got the big guy gun!
Alright, come get the gas one.
Wait, no, Ryan. Wait, he's the suckest part up first.
Oh yeah.
Suck what?
Wait,
Shoot.
it's right over here.
Shoot
Follow me,
once.
follow me.
Where's the
Shoot
box?
this ball.
Right
Shoot that box right there. Shoot that.
here.
Alright, come on over here.
Go
Oh,
for
shoot.
it.
Freaking suck.
Oh, oops.
Okay.
I fell down. I'll
Suck
do
it. Suck that up. You see that part right there?
Yeah, I'll suck him anytime.
Shoot that. Shoot that little thing. Yeah,
Got it.
that's not green, I guess. This
What the
one.
frick?
No, this.
Yeah, it's that
Oh,
one.
that one makes sense.
No?
No.
Is he not able to do it yet? He might not be able
Yeah,
to do
we
it
have to
yet.
get all four more first, I think.
No, don't you have to turn
I know,
something
but we
on
can.
here?
It's fine. We can wait and do it later.
I don't know.
Yeah, let's get the boss
Oh,
on
we might need
and do
to
the,
go first.
Yeah, we might have to.
Yeah.
We might need Aethers
We need to do
diary
something
and
before
stuff
this.
and all that.
Alright, let's go get Aethers real quick. You,
Right
got all
away.
that?
No.
got it.
You don't though.
You sure?
I'm
Because
pumped.
it doesn't really matter.
Wait, I answered the
there's no point in doing it now,
password.
we can just
Oh,
wait.
that's what we gotta
Oh,
do,
yeah.
look.
We can
Oh
do
yeah,
that
yeah,
faster
right,
now, I
right.
forgot.
Now you can.
Me for the undead.
Oh, about this.
But why?
Hey, it's this
An
one. Okay.
attempt to restore
Got it,
we got
it.
functionality?
Let's go.
Perhaps an effort to create.
Alright, now do you want to
No.
get the... I know how to get the lightning one.
Lightning one takes a
Oh,
while
lightning.
longer than
No, it
the others,
doesn't.
at least. It takes longer than the other ones.
You can do it in one run.
You can?
It takes
Yeah.
2 tries.
That doesn't.
It takes 2 tries.
You can do it in one run? I didn't know that.
Yeah, you like absorb like the little yellow glow thing, go shoot the box,
Yeah, I
and
know.
then you can do like all three in one trip. Yeah.
No way.
I thought it takes
Dude, you're
two.
about to be so fast.
Yeah, I know.
I know, but you can. Someone does it solo and gets it done in 22 minutes.
Well, he's good, Jacob. We can't freaking do that. We should
I know the
use
fire
that-
one's really easy.
Yeah, like it's right
Isn't
here,
it just
bro.
We should
shooting?
use the boss to...
Okay,
No,
so we
there's
go.
fire.
I know we go in this. We go in this portal right here, and then there's
found
gonna
the
be
fire
a part that we
box.
get. I know we go in this.
What?
Watch. I'm going in this
Yeah.
right up here.
Yeah, you have the plane lifts up and you have to shoot
Yep.
them. Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, go pick up.
Yep.
I forgot about that one. And then is
I
it
got it.
here?
Yeah.
Yep.
You got it.
Frank, come here. You can get fire. No, that's the intel. It's right here. Oh wait, I was just here. Where is it? Oh,
It isn't
right
here yet. We
Jacob.
have to do something else. Think what is it?
I swear the fuse was just here, was it not?
No.
It was when we were in there. I held X and everything to place the fuse.
We have to.
Can't be
It
that
should be like
easy
right
to
here.
get.
It should be right here. We gotta do something before it.
Bro, Lucas is like Doctor Strange.
I
He's
think
like
that's what
looking at
Lucas is
all the
doing.
future possibilities right now. In case we don't make it out alive. I love you.
The heck? Oh, we have to go. It has to be in the either. It has to be in the We have to be
Let's see,
in the
also.
thing.
Dark ether.
Yeah.
It's like it was right there.
Yeah. You're right. We have to be in the dark.
Alright, where's the next floor?
And we have to kill zombies
Well,
for it to spawn.
yeah.
I think.
I'm Axael.
Oh, it's Axael.
Daniel, I would never.
Hey
we got
guys,
this.
yeah, it's me guys.
It's not at pawn.
Okay, it's in the electrical spot. Are y'all ready to do the
Fire.
electric? No, not the fire. I think we can do the
Oh.
fire. So
Did
Ryan,
you lose the
you
zombie
need to do the
idea,
suck up
Lucas?
part.
Yes.
Ready? Go to one of the suck up parts.
I'm good. Don't get in my way.
All right, can I do it?
Don't get in my way. I got time.
Yeah.
Yep. Got it. Right, sweaty mode, boys.
Daniel, take the. Actually, I'll take zombie.
Boss is on me.
Where's the third one? I don't know where the third is. You though, right?
Yeah, I know where it is.
I need to get the zombie away from
It's at the top,
flower
second
then.
floor of the.
Oh, here's boss. Just lost. Yeah.
Did we get it?
We're fine.
Did you get a third one yet, Ryan?
About to.
No.
No,
We'll have to go back.
I'll still have it.
As long as you
I'll
suck
still
up the
have
part,
it.
you're fine.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. We're good.
Did you suck up the last part?
No. Alright. I still have it.
Okay, yeah. So he's good.
Wait, I only have one. Are you kidding me? I only have one. I missed the second shot or something.
Ryan, yours is still glowing. Come over here.
Yeah, Ryan, you're good.
Oh wait, you can still shoot it?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I was saying.
Okay.
How many things are lit up? There should be 2 lit up right now before you shoot it.
What the hell?
You only did
I
2
didn't
of
do
them.
it.
Only 2. You missed one of the things.
So are we screwed?
No, we're just gonna have to go and do it again.
No.
It'll be back after
I
we
know,
kill
it's
our 30
fine.
I'm sorry,
zombies.
yeah, so I think we should be able to get the jar one. Ryan, you just ran away from it. It's right here.
What?
We're getting ice right now.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, and then it should be blue, so this one.
Oh, we already got this? Oh.
Yes.
Ooh, shiny.
Because I'm really good. Ryan, you just-
Not bad, that.
Whoa.
Alright, the
Oh,
portal.
the zombies from
Ryan,
the
get
B
ready
side.
to do your last electric one.
I'm going to one of them to see if it's there.
Actually.
Ryan, did you suck it up? It's still here.
I sucked it.
Oh, so it's not the one on Daniel.
Yeah, he sucked it.
Or maybe
Oh,
on-
there's a boss here, by the way.
That's fine.
I can't shoot it.
That was the wrong one.
What the hell?
No, you won't. You only get them for round milestones.
What?
16 or 18. What?
Oh, frick!
Lucas.
I was shooting the boss.
How do you whiff?
aimed to the. It auto aimed.
Frick, guys.
You- orange boss.
Did it work, Ryan?
I got it.
Okay, go
Okay,
get fire.
good.
Go
Oh,
get fire. Go get fire now. Don't take lightning yet.
How?
Go get fire.
No, we can't do the fire yet. This portal has a
Can we
spawn
not?
pond. The portal at pond has a spawn.
Is
So we
that
gotta kill
really how it
zombies.
works?
Yep. Wait, guys, don't kill zombies yet. Wait for
the
the-
new round started. There's 20.
I got
I
it.
know,
I got
but
it.
we need to get out of the portal first.
Yeah, so we have to kill zombies.
So wait, don't kill zombies. Don't kill zombies. We need to go in this portal, and then we need to kill more zombies.
Where's the portal at?
I don't know.
I'm not seeing it.
Hey, it's probably second floor of the
It's not penthouse.
Notch. Oh, okay. No.
It's not.
And it's not here yet.
Wait.
Do we have to
Maybe
go into
check
another
med bay.
round?
No. Oh no, that's weird. I think we might have to go into another round. Where the heck is the portal? Alright. So Jacob, we can't be within the vicinity of where the portal spawns. Like we can't be looking at the.
Look away from pond.
Don't go near pond.
Look at
Don't
pond.
look at pond. No, shut up, no!
Oh, it's exfil round.
Oh yeah, guys.
I'm accepting it.
No.
Oh my gosh, dude.
No.
Alright, I'm
I climbed
accepting it.
Accept me.
Okay.
Want to scout the Delta portal can be seen by the players. Read.
Who has a wonder weapon?
Ryan knows.
Alright, come to pond. Alright, look at this box. Does it say anything? Look, the box.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh wait, never mind. Wait, is that the fire?
It is. We had it.
You're
Already
kidding.
freaking-
yeah.
Someone
We had
already
it this
freaking
whole
did
time.
it and didn't say
I,
anything.
bro, I said I did it, and then you went over there and said, "Where is it?"
You never
the
said you did
frick?
it.
I said I did. I will pull
Oh
up
my
the clip.
gosh.
Oh wow.
You're kidding me.
I'm gonna do it right now.
Oh
Bro, I
my
said
Let's
it
goodness.
do
so
it.
long
Let's
ago.
freaking go.
If you did it, then why didn't you say, guys, we're good. Guys, it's done.
Bro, I literally said I did it, and then you said, no, you have to go
I
back
did
to
not
the
say
dark
no. You
cave."
never said you did it. You never said.
Yes,
Damn,
I
did you hear
I said
him
the
say we
box
did
is
it?
right here, and I held X.
No.
Oh my god. I will find the clip.
Alright,
Well, there's a portal
don't go in it.
right here now. What do we
We
do?
don't need it.
Ah! Panic mode! Ah!
I hate y'all so much.
I'll try
Whoever
that.
opened the box, knife the box.
Wasn't me.
And now everyone can pick it up.
Someone kill one of the zombies. Wait, don't kill. Don't actually.
If you knife the
Okay,
box,
it's not
anybody can pick up the gun. So, like, if I get a ray gun or something. So basically, if Ryan gets a ray gun, he knifes box and lets someone else take ray gun, since he doesn't need it. You have lightning wonder weapon right now, Ryan?
I got Julie's 911. Let's go.
Hey, I have an idea.
Alright.
We go into the either portal and we can shoot those crystals and hopefully get one. Or perks.
No, we need we need the boss. No, that's important. Don't go. No,
Oh,
Lucas.
never mind.
We need that for part of the
Well.
steps.
Well,
We do.
Yes.
frick. What do we do?
Why do we need it for our steps?
We have to go to the dark ether for part one of the conversations with people, I think.
Oh.
Oh, wait,
Boss
a boss
is
spawned though, boss spawned. Split it in medbay and then get it in the tube.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
But this boss doesn't split in two.
Yeah, it does it not?
Oh, it
should.
doesn't.
What?
Wait, really?
Don't kill it.
No, if it splits, we'll split it. See, look. I think it's split. Man. Oh, here it is. On me. Alright, go to medbay now. I think we still have to do stuff there.
What do I do? Oh, there's something.
Yeah, that's what I just did.
Howdy doody. It's a Nazi.
Do you see that orb they're holding, Ryan? We have to get it here.
No. Yes.
That circle. Okay.
Oh.
So, Ryan, follow me.
I got the wrench.
So, ready, Ryan? Look. You
Oh, do we now?
interact 1, 2, 3. And a zombie pops out. And we kill it.
Kill it, retard.
And then we throw a Semtex. See, the Semtex blows up. Yeah, it didn't hit it, I guess. Okay, right there. And then look, ready? Then it
Whoa.
shoots. Then
I'm
it
pretty
shoots
sure
the
we pick up
boss.
the orb, bunch of zombies spawn.
Oh,
Yes.
free.
Yes, Lucas, I'll do it. I know where to go.
Oh,
Oh shoot. Oh. Woo! Oh, I'm not so used to duels. I never used these.
You better protect me.
Die.
yeah, we're good.
See it?
What? Oh, it's fine.
The zombie just died in front of me. I didn't kill
Right in
it.
there. Alright, now we need to wait for the boss. Alright, the boss fight's not the difficult part, though. The difficult part is, getting out after the boss fight. Just like the
Oh
first.
yeah.
We should have been done by, like, round 16. We would have been done by now. Alright, now we just need to wait for a boss round, and we have to split the megaton down here. Then we're done. Oh,
I know.
Oh, he's on me.
We have to get him on. look. All I'm saying is,
Oh, he's there, he's there.
come here. Yeah. Come here. Oh, there's one. Cool. Come
There's
here.
one's going in, one's going in.
Yep. One. There we go. Both. Got it. I'm
Nice.
so good.
Let's go, Jacob.
Okay, so everyone come in here.
Coming.
Wait, other boss is on me.
Wait, I'm hitting a mystery box right now.
Guys, there's a ladder right
I got a
now.
gold stone
Ooh.
Alright, come here.
there. Oh, there's a lot of them on Ryan.
Whoa.
Oh my god, there's so many on
Ah,
Ryan.
it's The Walking Dead. Woo!
Go. Start it.
Oh,
it.
shoot.
Are all of us in here?
Yeah, I know.
Whoa. I'm here.
Okay. We're
Thank
good.
you, jeez.
Oh my god. I used to eat for Shroud. It teleported me
Ryan,
back
you and
downstairs.
Lucas have no armor. This might be a problem.
No, the boss fight doesn't start yet.
It doesn't start yet. Yeah, it doesn't start yet.
We have to
Oh
talk to
my
the
god. What's happening? Oh, it's another big guy.
How did they?
How do they? I can't understand you. Talk louder.
He's gonna start crying like a little bitch.
No, we sit here for a little bit. Alright, don't pick up the family
Oh.
photo, please, okay? If we pick up the
Yeah,
family photo,
yeah.
it starts.
Then it starts.
Yeah, do not
Okay.
pick up the photo.
Oh, wait, what?
When you pick up the photo, the boss fight starts. Do not pick it up.
Oh, he's running. You guys running.
This isn't over. Get after it now.
Oh, shoot.
Oh
we
yeah,
gotta
that's
go.
right. I have a bunch of dogs spawning. That's not working.
Oh, shoot. Why is there no power? Why is it so dark here?
Oh yeah, power goes out because we're close to the boss.
Oh god. Well, only problem with that is that I can't use my power if I'm down.
Just don't go down, man.
I got a wonder weapon.
Let's go.
Oh,
Oh, portal's
get
on
on
me.
the upgrades.
Okay. Alright, everyone come repair your armor. Get the poison one, Daniel. Then just shoot at the guy that we're supposed to protect, and then it'll do area of effect damage. Trust.
Oh my god, I accidentally threw Syntax.
Yeah, I did too.
Alright, you
Alright, let's
ready?
go in.
Alright,
Hold up,
guys.
zombies taking away my armor.
15
Right,
rounds.
Tammy.
Too
Ryan, where's
late.
your
we
armor?
got this, Tammy. We got this, Tammy. He's on our side. He's cheering. He's throwing flowers.
Alright, it's
Alright,
over
let's
here,
go.
right? Yeah, right here. Come
It's
here, come here.
underground.
Yeah, no, it's
no,
right here. The boss fight's not happening yet.
Oh, boys.
It doesn't start until we pick up the picture.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm nervous.
You should be nervous.
Why is there a freaking boss? Wait,
We should be
they're gonna...
I don't know, we'll figure it out.
Uh-oh.
I hear footsteps.
Alright, so we gotta
Cool.
focus on the bosses. That's the main thing.
Yes.
Like Lucas
Yep.
said.
Just
And then Ryan, focus on keeping the guy
Ryan
safe.
protects the guy since he has one weapon. And then Daniel,
I'm
shoot
defending.
shoot a poison shot on the guy with blue health that we're supposed to protect. And it'll just
Yeah.
do damage to the people close.
Alright.
Alright, is everyone ready? Everyone got what they need?
I'm
Yeah.
ready.
Once we exit, we pick up the picture.
Oh.
The picture falls from the sky. And then it lands.
Come on, picture fall.
Look, ready? Look, it's about to fall. Meow.
There it is.
Pick it
Alright.
up, pick it up.
Time.
Oh god, it's taking all my health.
Boss fight time.
Let's get it, boys. Oh.
Cool.
Focus bosses.
Yeah,
Alright,
place your
we're
turrets
ready.
down.
I don't have
Place your
turrets.
I don't got any.
I have one machine.
Okay, basically protects the guy that we're supposed to protect.
Does it go by time or by
Mr.
zombie
C4s
count?
And all that, monkeys.
You just have a certain amount you have to kill.
Yo, this man
messed
ugly.
him
Boys, here we
up,
go.
dude. Look, his barber messed him up. Look, he's like shot cuts on him.
Shout out to my barber dog.
Oh wait, we put our turrets down too soon.
Big
It's already
guy.
gone. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a new turret.
Oh.
Oh, we can't leave. Rip.
Nope.
Don't we? Yeah, we can't.
That's tough.
Well, we're locked, boys. Locked down, quarantine.
We're quarantined.
Alright, don't die,
that's
guys. Ryan, get your armor. I'm doing the same.
He can't afford armor.
I don't have it.
right. Yo, can this man like stop talking like a
Alright,
heavy
now
smoker?
Oh god, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh.
Here we go.
Get the dogs first.
Wait, what if he dies?
If he dies, you lose. But you protecting him is the objective.
And now you're coming towards him. Oh, shoot, boss!
Yeah, there's a lot. Ryan, armor on me, right here. Fine.
Alright, one boss gone.
Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah, basically just protect our dude.
Oh, frick.
The boss fight's not the difficult part, though.
Sure about that?
I'm about to
Yes.
kill myself.
I might die. No, I'm good.
I ran out of ammo.
I'm throwing a monkey bomb.
Regen.
Buy more ammo.
Where's the ammo box?
It's underneath on the first floor, Ryan.
Oh, I see. I don't have enough.
Oh, Ryan.
How do you not have $5,000?
It's
Ryan, here.
10,000 for
This
me.
zombie's gonna drop ammo.
Oh, the wonder weapon?
Come on, come bottom.
Oh,
I'm
you're-
marking,
you
marking.
need-
I marked
Ryan,
ammo.
just-
And bar armor real quick.
Guys, we gotta support the
Alright, we're
big
good,
guy.
we're good.
Come on. The big guy has like big biceps. And he's like attracting everyone. Ah!
Oh!
Ah! Yeah, yo, I need you.
Oh, God.
What's his health at? What's his health at?
Oh, I'm about to die. I'm dead.
I got you. Out quick, Chris. Oh! I'm not being issue.
Oh, frick.
I don't think I
Watch
can
it,
get
Daniel.
damage.
Take it, Ryan. Alright, we gotta go.
Oh, why can't I just drop max ammo? Oh, it did. Oh.
Really?
That's so. Yeah, I have ammo.
Yeah, if you
Oh
kill
my
the boss,
gosh,
you drop
there's
ammo. If you
so
left it, really good.
Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Oh.
He needs help, guys. Do you not hear him?
No.
Go help him.
Where's he?
I'm
Giant taste.
legit on here. What do you think you need my help?
He said, I need help. Alright, we're done.
What is that?
Oh,
Oh,
we're
That's
good?
it.
Did we get it?
Go towards
Oh!
Deadshot. Go towards Deadshot once you...
Finn.
We just gotta. Only one of us has to make it to the helicopter. We
Yeah,
can do it.
Yep.
Yeah, I have my Aether back.
Let's get it.
And all the zombies are dead.
Do it.
That's all I need to
There's
hear.
gonna be zombies coming back, though.
One is
Watch
inbound,
out.
strike team.
Yep.
Get the hell out of there.
Save, if you have Aether Shroud, save it for like the...
let's
turtle.
Go, 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 go.
Hey, just take your time. Just take your time.
Yep.
Oh,
Ryan!
it's fine. Oh, it's not mine. I got stuck in the corner. Go without me. We got this, boy.
No.
I'm at the
Guys, come on, we
helicopter.
gotta get to the
I am
chopper.
too.
Hurry.
Yeah, me and Lucas got it. We're chilling.
Oh yeah. Yeah, got it.
Okay, let's go, boys.
Oh, wait. Oh. Frick. Just
Y'all
don't.
better freaking not die.
Says, you're dead,
Get up, we
Ryan.
can get.
Yeah, I
Just hop
got
in
it.
the
I got it.
helicopter, Lucas. Hop in the helicopter. Hop in.
Let's go.
Yes! Let's go,
Oh,
boys!
let's go.
We freaking did it!
Oh.
Wait, I got knocked? Oh, I did get knocked. Let's go, Ryan. Best zombies player.
Yay! Let's freaking go.
3 revives, baby. Or
Oh.
two downs. Let's go.
Strike team.
Yo.
Close the breach.
See, I told you, the exfil part's harder than the
Just
fight
getting
part.
started.
Yeah, me and Ryan got cucked in that room.
Yeah, so... So basically what you have to do is
Yeah,
you
I
have to
got
run at the
cornered with the
corner,
light
right?
blue.
You have to run towards the corner and jump across like this, the gap, and then you have to vault
I just
over,
went
like,
under.
over the bar. Yeah, that works too. I jumped it though. Easy dubs. Almost took like an hour longer than it should have.
How long did that take? 2.5 hours?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
pretty much.
1 hour 29 minutes. Or no, 129 minutes. 130
So
minutes.
2 hours and 9 minutes. Wait, what? Yo, what?
We didn't do it for 2
I'm gonna-
hours, dumb dumb.
Yeah, 120
We did.
minutes is 2 hours, Ryan.
Yeah, we did that for 2 hours.
So it's 2 hours and 9 minutes, Ryan.
And
Oh.
one person did it in 22 minutes.
And 49 seconds. Alright, that is the end of the journey.
Yes.
Hey.
That's
We didn't die at all.
Oh, I should have got. I needed an outro, didn't I? Let's do start yelling.
Did you already? Jesus, so quick. Well, since Jacob's a retard and do outro, I'll do it myself.
Yeah, just
I
send me
hope
the clip
y'all
for it.
enjoyed.
Yeah, send me an outro.
What?
Send me an outro.
Alright. Outro.
It's done.
Hey.
That took way too long, bro.